Hi everyone, I'm Anya from TKO Policy Guides, and I'm excited to share some of our newest features we've been working on. So let's begin. One of the biggest mistakes we see is people writing their standard operating procedures like essays. Walls of text and long paragraphs just aren't effective. People don't read them. That's why inside TKO Policy Guides, procedures are broken down into clean, usable steps that are short, sharp, and easy to follow. Plus, our AI tools help you structure your documents so they look great and make sense right away. Another thing we've been focusing on is the power of visuals. We're all visual learners, so strong standard operating procedures don't just describe the task, they show it. With TKO, you can easily add images, flowcharts, screenshots, or even videos directly into your documents. This means your team can find what they need fast and really understand how to do the job. Making knowledge quick to access and easy to follow is the whole point. Moving on, a common issue we notice is inconsistent document styles. It makes your system confusing. That's why TKO Policy Guides has a neat, standard structure for every document, covering policy, procedure, scope, step-by-step actions, and compliance notes. Even better, you can design your own templates so every document looks polished and familiar. This consistency helps your team find what they need quickly and keeps your system professional. Another crucial feature is version control. If you're an active business, your policies evolve all the time. TKO automatically tracks each document update with timestamps and user info. This way, you always know which version is current, who made what change, and you can easily roll back if needed. It keeps your system up to date and audit ready without any hassle. Finally, it's not enough to just have great documents. Someone needs to own them. TKO lets you assign roles and responsibilities easily, so each document is managed by the right person in your business. This accountability ensures things don't slip through the cracks and everyone knows what they're responsible for. All these features together create a polished, reliable system that your whole team can trust and use confidently. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. And by the way, if you are a current user and you see anything here today that may not be on your own TKO system, it may mean that you need an upgrade. In which case, please let us know so we can do the upgrade for you. That's all for now. See you next time.